spray paint you can get rid of these rust spots. Bit of sanding, as you can see, using my Bosch portable 12-volt sander. Really good little tool actually. And Hammerite white spray, great, give it a good shake. And then spray carefully over the areas. Don't put too much on at once, otherwise it will start to run. Getting the other side there as well. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's on the roof. And moving on to the wheels, you can see a bit of tape, getting ready to spray. Back to the roof again. A bit more paint, now it's dried a little bit. You can see that those rust spots are disappearing nicely. A bit more spray on that side. Pretty much all gone now. It's good stuff, that Hammerite. That goes directly over rust as well if it's still rusty. As you can see, a lot better now.
And we're all done. Obviously it's not a professional job like it would be in the body shop, but it is the roof after all. The main thing is treating the rust and getting that dealt with. No one can even see the roof from below, but you don't want the rust rotting through your roof and causing leaks. Are done. If you really want to do it properly, you can use body shop filler, but I mean, I think you'll agree you can't really see a problem anymore. The matte black is the best actually, because it really does hide lots. Obviously it's a bit harder if it's silver and other colours. So there you go. I've touched in the bumper, well the side bars rather, as well. Looking good.